Hello everyone, so welcome to Indra's Academy's WordPress tutorial. In this video, we'll see how we can design the portfolio section in your WordPress website using Elementor page builder, right? Look at this. So let's get started. Let's go to WordPress dashboard and install plugin, add a new plugin and search the plugin premium add-ons for Elementor. And this is the plugin. Click install now and activate it. Alright, the plugin got installed. In the left side, you can see premium add-ons for Elementor. Click on it. And after that, you have to click on widgets and add-ons. So here what I'll do, I'll switch off all the widgets and go to this free widgets and use, let's find image scroll. This is the one which helps us to add the portfolio, right? So let's enable this. Okay, after activating image scroll, now let's go to the pages and I'll be adding this to my home page. Just edit with Elementor and just scroll down till bottom and click on the plus to add the select the columns and rows. Just click on this flex box direction row. I'm going to add one container and make this three containers. Let me duplicate one. So I'll be adding three images in one section. All right. And in the first container that I'm going to add, click on this add element, image scroll, right? Which is this one. You can see premium add-ons. Just drag this and drop it inside this container. And after that, and I'm going to choose an image from my, all right, it's now click on select. So you can see it is uploaded now, but let me increase the image height a little bit. Increase till 450. All right, this much. All right. And after increasing the image height, if you want to add a link, just enable this. And here I'm going to add my link so that if anyone clicks on this, they go to that particular website. So this website screenshot I have taken of this web page, which is indrasacademy.com. So this was the page I have taken the screenshot. Let me copy this URL and give the link over here. All right. And if anyone clicks on this link, and if this should go open and should go and open one new tab, then you can click on the settings and select this option, open in a new window. Just select this so that if anyone clicks, it go and open the new tab. So that is the one option, and this settings we do in the image. And next we have advanced settings, and the direction right now it is in vertical. So vertical, and you even have horizontal also, but recommended is vertical. It will be good. And even you can, the reverse the direction also. Right now it is going like this, and for example you want to do reverse, right? From the bottom it will go, right? So since I wanted it like this, I'm just keeping slow only. And next is the trigger. So if you keep mouse scroll, then you need to manually, like, you have to scroll down like this, right? But when you keep the hover, so automatically it will scroll. All right. And how fast you wanted to scroll this. So for example, if you keep 1 second, right, one, see, it'll go very faster. If you keep 5, So slowly it will go. So how much seconds you want speed, you can keep it. I'm just keeping 5 seconds. All right. And next icon. So middle, if you want to add one icon, scrolling icons, you can enable this. You can see that. And if you want to increase the size of that icon, you can even do that. So I'll keep it around 50. I'll type it 50. 50. All right. So, and if you want to add overlay, you can enable this. So the overlay, it will be good, right? And these settings we do in the advanced. So after that, go to style and do the styling. Now the icon color, that icon we have added, right? So that one, if you want to change the color, look at this. If you want to change the color, you can go ahead and use this. Okay, I'll keep it black. And the overlay color, we just applied the overlay, right? So if you want to change the overlay color, for example, if I keep it maybe blue or this color, and then if I reduce this, see that, right? It applies like this overlay. All right. And okay, I'll do one thing. I'll keep it black, then I'll reduce this. Then it'll be very nice. All right. I'll just keep this much. All right. So this is what I'm going to use. And when you hover also, you can apply the overlay. So here you can even do that. But any which ways, even you can apply the opacity also. See, you can even apply the opacity also. How much opacity you want on the image, you can do that as well. Okay, I'll keep it some this much. All right, and this is what we do here. And let me go for the container. Just click on this container, and in the container I have the border type. And if you can click here solid, and we can give the border. Okay, I'll keep 2 points. So to see the difference, you see this here. The border is applied, but it is even you can mention the color of the border. For example, if I keep red, look at the border, it is coming, right? So if you want to increase the border, you can increase it how much that you wanted. Okay, but I'm going to keep 2 points, and I'm going to keep this as white. So you can even increase the size of it, right? But I'm going to 2 points, and now I'm going for the border color. I'll keep it white only because I'm going to make the background color as black. Okay, white I'm keeping. And next, border radius. Okay, for example, if you wanted to do like this, the border radius. Okay, you can do that, but I'm not going to keep any border. And even you can give a advanced border also. If you click on this, okay, and if you click on this here, and how you want to display, for example, okay, for example, like this, copy this, and just mention this code here. See, look at this, right? So you can make like that using that. For example, I will take like this, copy, go here one more time. Is that, see, look at this. So we can make like this, but I'm going not using this right now. All right, so I think we have done with all the settings. So now, so the image scroll is added. So now what I will do, I will simply duplicate this. I will duplicate. delete this too. Perfect. So you can see I've added. Now what I will do in this, I'll upload the another website. So I'll upload this. All right, just select. So now I have uploaded two. So let me also upload the one more. I have taken already the screenshot. So let me just upload it. Upload it. So now you can see I have added all the three images. And what I will do, I'll just make the background, just go to the section and click on the style and the background color. I will make it full black. Okay. And then what I will do, I will add one more new uh, column and add one title, which is headline, center, and name it as portfolio. Portfolio and in color I will make it white. All right. So same way I will just add one text below this. Then I'll add this text and this text also I'll make it white. Why? Because I'm going to make this section background color also black. All right. So this I will just go and make it center, right? And let me give some padding below so that it will be good. And I will increase the this heading size somewhere around 60 points. 60. Perfect. So now if you see our portfolio section is created, right? And if you need one more in the DOM, just duplicate this. Look at this, right? So this is how we actually create the portfolio section in your WordPress website using the Elementor and also premium add-ons for Elementor. All right. So thank you for watching and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for getting more updates from the Indra's Academy's YouTube channel. Thank you.